A dishwasher is one of those appliances you don't want to replace every few years. You want something that can handle daily use, keep cleaning perfectly, and continue working for the next decade and beyond. But the truth is, not every dishwasher built in 2026 is designed to last. Some models look impressive with modern features, but fail long before they should. That's why we researched the most reliable options on the market to find the only 4 dishwashers you should buy in 2026, built to last 15+ years with powerful cleaning, excellent drying, and dependable performance. From the best value pick to the ultimate premium choice, let's find out which dishwasher deserves your money. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Let's get going. Number 4. LG LDFN424SPS. Starting our list is LG's latest smart dishwasher lineup, which continues to impress homeowners by combining advanced technology, reliable performance, and excellent value in one package. LG has become one of the most recognized names in home appliances, and its dishwashers are designed for buyers who want modern features, strong cleaning ability, and premium convenience without paying the extremely high prices often associated with luxury brands. The biggest advantage of LG dishwashers is their impressive cleaning performance. Equipped with advanced spray systems, powerful wash technology, and efficient water distribution, these machines are capable of removing stubborn food residue, dried sauces, grease, and everyday kitchen messes while reducing the need to pre-rinse dishes before loading. Many LG models also offer smart connectivity features, allowing users to monitor wash cycles, receive maintenance notifications, and control different settings directly from their smartphones for a more convenient experience. Another major strength is the flexible interior design, featuring adjustable racks and a third rack that creates additional space for utensils, cooking tools, and larger items that are often difficult to organize in traditional dishwashers. LG also performs well in modern open kitchens thanks to its quiet operation, allowing you to run cleaning cycles without interrupting conversations, family time, or daily activities. While LG may not have the same decades-long premium reputation as some European dishwasher manufacturers, it delivers an excellent balance of performance, innovation, and affordability. For 2026, LG remains one of the smartest choices for anyone searching for a feature-packed dishwasher that provides powerful cleaning results, useful smart features, and dependable everyday performance without stretching the budget too far. Number 3. KitchenAid KDTS424SPS. The KitchenAid dishwasher is designed for people who truly put their kitchen to work. If you regularly prepare large family meals, entertain guests, or deal with heavily soiled cookware after everyday cooking, KitchenAid offers the performance and capacity needed to handle those challenges with ease. One of the biggest advantages of this dishwasher is its impressive loading flexibility. The advanced rack system allows you to organize large pots, oversized pans, dinner plates, glasses, and cooking utensils more efficiently while ensuring that every item receives proper cleaning coverage. Drying performance is another area where KitchenAid stands out, especially compared with many budget dishwashers that often leave plastic containers wet after a cycle. KitchenAid focuses on improved drying technology to reduce this common frustration and deliver cleaner, drier dishes when the cycle is complete. The interior design also feels premium, featuring durable racks, a stainless steel tub, and quiet operation that makes it an excellent choice for modern open-concept kitchens where noise can be a concern. While some KitchenAid models are priced higher than competitors offering similar features, the added durability, strong cleaning power, and user-friendly design make them a worthwhile investment for many households. For families who cook frequently and need a dishwasher that can handle heavy daily use, the KitchenAid 360 Degrees Max Jets third rack dishwasher remains one of the most dependable and capable choices available in 2026. Number 2. Miele G7986 SCVi AutoDos K2O. Miele represents the luxury side of the dishwasher market, designed for homeowners who want a premium appliance that delivers exceptional performance, advanced technology, and long-lasting reliability. Unlike standard dishwashers that focus mainly on basic cleaning tasks, Miele machines are built around precision engineering, superior craftsmanship, and carefully developed features that create a more refined user experience. The brand has earned a strong reputation for producing appliances designed for long-term ownership, making Miele a popular choice among buyers who prioritize durability, performance, and quality over saving money up front. The first thing you notice with a Miele dishwasher is the outstanding build quality. The racks feel exceptionally sturdy, the door movement is smooth and balanced, and every component reflects thoughtful engineering and attention to detail. Miele models are also recognized for their extremely quiet operation, making them perfect for open-concept kitchens and modern homes where noise reduction is important. Many models include advanced features such as automatic detergent dispensing, intelligent wash programs, efficient water management, and powerful cleaning systems that handle everyday dishes to heavily soiled cookware. Drying performance is another area where Miele stands out, consistently delivering some of the best results available by leaving dishes cleaner, drier, and ready to use immediately after the cycle ends. The main drawback is the premium price, as Miele dishwashers are among the most expensive options on the market. However, for those who want a luxury dishwasher built with exceptional materials, reliable performance, and the ability to last for many years, Miele remains one of the strongest and most impressive choices available in 2026. Number 1. Bosch 800 Series Dishwasher. Taking the number 1 spot for the best dishwasher you can buy in 2026 is the Bosch 800 Series Dishwasher, a model that successfully combines powerful cleaning, quiet performance, advanced drying technology, and premium everyday usability. This is the dishwasher that gets almost everything right, making it one of the easiest recommendations for most households. Cleaning performance is excellent, with powerful wash systems designed to remove stubborn food particles, grease, and everyday messes without requiring extra effort. Noise levels are another major strength, with Bosch consistently recognized for producing some of the quietest dishwashers available, allowing you to run cycles during dinner, movie nights, or while working from home without disruption. Drying performance is also one of the biggest highlights, thanks to Bosch's advanced drying technology that delivers better results, especially when dealing with challenging items like plastic containers that often remain wet in other dishwashers. The biggest reason people continue to love Bosch is its impressive balance. Instead of focusing on a single flashy feature, the Bosch 800 series delivers a complete experience with practical design, reliable performance, and long-term convenience. The flexible racks make loading easier. The third rack provides valuable additional space for utensils and smaller items, and the stainless steel interior gives the dishwasher a premium feel while improving durability. Consumer Reports has consistently recognized Bosch as one of the strongest dishwasher brands, with top-performing models praised for cleaning ability, drying performance, efficiency, and quiet operation. The only challenge is that Bosch offers several different series and models, which can make choosing the right one slightly confusing. However, if you're looking for the safest overall dishwasher recommendation for 2026, the Bosch 800 series is incredibly difficult to beat and remains one of the best choices for performance, reliability, and everyday convenience. That wraps up our list of the 4 dishwashers that come closest to being complaint-free in 2026. While no dishwasher is perfect, these models stand out by delivering the features that matter most: powerful cleaning, excellent drying performance, quiet operation, and dependable long-term reliability. For most households, the Bosch 800 series is our top overall recommendation. While Miele is ideal for luxury buyers, KitchenAid is perfect for families who cook often, and LG offers outstanding value with modern features. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance reviews and buying tips. Thanks for watching!